Hello everyone, today I'm going to be replacing a brake light bulb in my 1999 Jeep Cherokee. This is a 4.0, so I've never replaced it before, and I was looking for some screws. There's no screws, so what I'm going to have to do is replace or take out these bolts here. There's 3 bolts. And then I'll be able to remove the limbs, I'm guessing. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a socket, take those off. Alright, so I've got a 10mm socket. Had to use an extension. I've got these 2 out over here. Yeah, there's no way to get into it over here. There's no way to get into it other than take these off as far as I can tell. So let's go ahead and take this last one off here. Oh, maybe there's another one. Alright, our wrench is down here. Just catching down here. And you just gotta lift up on it. Okay, yeah, it just pulls out. There's a clip down at the bottom right here. Okay, so here's the bulb I'm going to be replacing. Just going to turn this counterclockwise. Okay, I think I can just pull this straight out. Alright, let me grab my new bulb. Alright, here's a look at the bulbs I bought. 31.57. This is around $7.50, something like that. I don't want to get any oil on these bulbs. I want them to last as long as possible. Alright. Sorry about the camera work here. Okay, so I just pushed the bulb. I'm going to try to push it straight in. Let me make sure that yeah, it should be good like that. Alright, come on. Things you do with one hand trying to film. Alright, snapped in. Okay, I'm gonna try to flag somebody down here to push my brakes before I put the bolts back in. Okay, all right, that's great, thanks. All right, so I'm just gonna put this back now. Remember, there's a clip in the bottom here, goes in, and then the 3 bolts, as you saw. And since I've got an extra bulb left, they come in 2s, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and change the other one over here at the same time. So that'll be it. Changing a brake light bulb, Jeep Cherokee, 1999 anyway. Thanks for watching. Have a great day out there. Take care.